In this video, I will be showing you how to install the YouTube app on your Windows laptop. Let's get started. To begin, I open up Google Chrome on my Windows laptop. I move my mouse cursor up to the address bar at the very top of the screen and click inside it. Next, I type in YouTube and press enter on my keyboard to search for it. Once the Google search results appear on screen, I move my cursor over to the first official result that says YouTube and click on it. Now that the YouTube homepage has fully loaded with all of its recommended videos and content, I head over to the top right corner of the Google Chrome browser window. Here, I click on the three vertical dots menu icon to bring up Chrome's main menu options. I move my mouse down the list and hover over Cast, Save, and Share, which opens up a side menu with more options. In this side menu, I click directly on Install YouTube. Right away, a small pop-up window titled Install App appears in the middle of my screen asking for confirmation. I move my cursor over to the blue Install button and click on it. After a brief moment, the YouTube web app finishes installing and automatically opens up in its very own app window, giving it a sleek look without the traditional browser tabs or address bar. And that is all there is to it. You now have the YouTube app successfully installed and running on your Windows laptop. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.